Found out my fiancée cheated during her bachelorette party, so I'm planning on leaving. Last night, I, 31M, did something I'm not proud of because curiosity got the better of me. I was getting ready for bed when I saw a light pop up on my girlfriend's, 30F, computer. Normally, I'm not one to pry into someone else's privacy, but it was a message from her friends about the party they were at. We were getting married soon, and she was out with her friends at a bachelorette party. I stayed up all night checking her computer and her Facebook messages and discovered she had cheated during the party. By cheating, I don't mean getting a strip tease or something, which I would be okay with. I understand it's a bachelorette party, but she actually gave some dude some sloppy toppy and ended up going home with another guy that night. She has that other guy added on Facebook, but the chat merely consists of, "I had a good time and it was nice to meet you." The conversation dates back to the bachelorette party. I have, however, read the messages between her and her friends. They have a small group, and I found out what she had done there. It all seems as if it was a one-time thing that happened then, but I'm a mess. I haven't slept all night, and she is headed for work in an hour or so when she wakes up. I don't know what to do. We are supposedly getting married in 3 weeks. We were planning on buying a house, having kids, and growing old together. I feel like I want to throw all of that out the window. I am sitting here smelling like booze, feeling drunk and depressed. Honestly, I want to go and kick her out right now, but I don't want to do something irrational. Update 1. I left in the morning to take a smoke. My head was still messed up. I don't think she cheated other than this night. Nothing I found indicated anything else. I guess she wanted this to be her last night before settling down or something. I honestly don't know and don't care. When I was outside taking a smoke, about 15 to 20 minutes after I left, she had woken up. She noticed the drinks out and asked me what I had been up to. Basically, she came to give me a kiss and a hug. I followed through with it but honestly felt empty doing it. I didn't want to give her any hint of what I knew. She asked me why I had been drinking and why I didn't come to sleep last night, and I told her I was just having some nightmares but everything was fine. I felt detached, like I was watching myself in the third person through a TV or something. She asked me if any stress was related to the marriage and the plans. I just told her something along the lines of, "I love you. How can you be stressed about the best thing in your life?" After that, she got herself ready and left for work. So, it was time to take action. I basically started packing my most important things and I called and canceled the venue where we were supposed to have the wedding. Apparently, they took 15% of the money for canceling early because we were having such a big event. I told them it's fine, and I really don't care at this point. I also saved screenshots of everything and have taken them with me. Around 1 p.m., I called a taxi and went to stay at a hotel far away from my city. I didn't leave any notes or pictures at home, I just left. I needed the alone time in the hotel to think everything through and process what had happened. Around 3:30 p.m., my phone started getting spammed with calls from my ex-fiancée. I got calls and messages from her sister, her friends, her parents, my parents, and a few of our mutual friends. The only people I called back were my mom and dad. I have huge trust in my parents. I basically spilled the beans and told them a nicer version of what had happened. I asked my dad not to say anything and also asked my mother not to say anything. I told them it's ended, it's over, and that I won't be getting married anymore. I also told them not to tell anyone.